Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So the Toyota Supra. So I personally loved the color scheme on it, so I bought it. It looks so beautiful. So I just want to see how this one looks out of the box. So let's unbox and see. So I bought this for MRP, which is 179. So as I'm recording this video, there is some sale is going on in Amazon um, for the Hot Wheels race day, the 10 pack. So actually I was getting a good deal, like 8.99. But honestly, only 3 cars are actual cars, but rest are like fantasies. 7 are fantasies. That's the reason I didn't buy. So I thought of buying that and unboxing it, but I there is no one else to purchase it from me once I unbox. It is just waste, honestly waste of money. That too during the end of the month. Okay, so out of the box, man, this casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So the paint job on this, it's really stunning, and it does have this black livery. I really wish they did this livery in kind of either red color or so that would have popped a little. Given the green color is really eye candy and it is really beautiful. So honestly, after a long time, I'm excited about a Hot Wheels. So it does have one or two scratches on the windshield, but it's fine. It has grill details, which is really nice. That is embossed, it is not painted on. It has headlight details. Logo placement is good, even the logo is a little bit here and there. I hope you guys can able to see it really well. The livery is really nice. You can see this flaming livery, right? This looks really awesome. It doesn't have any tail light details, which is a bummer. So the whole body is metal, including the spoiler, and the chassis is chromed out plastic, which I personally don't like. But maybe for this car, it does look good, especially this gold rims, which matches with this part of car. You can see on the livery part. I really wish they went with this for treasure hunt instead of the Impala one. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Even that the hood here, which looks awesome. The handles are actually, you can see it is protruding out. It's not just painted on. Man, if you really didn't get this casting, and if you actually got this and you just left it as it is, which means honestly, as a collector, I can say you lost something really beautiful. But don't buy it from scalpers. Again, I'm saying that. It does have some exhaust details to it, which is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it does roll well compared to other castings. See, my only concern is like, see, the body looks really big. See, you can see the wheels are not touching the ground really well. So the wheels looks a bit small compared to the body of the casting. Maybe this is supposed to be a drift version or something. Let me just check the box. Give me 1 second. Okay, it's just the 90s version. Okay. So I really wish they put some little bit of bigger wheel to close this gap here. But apart from that, overall the casting looks really shimmery and beautiful. So I'm planning to keep this in display somewhere. I do have one more display box which I'm going to do a review this coming Sunday. So I'm planning to keep this entire P case, at least some of it in that box. So let's see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.